Right now, I'm wet sanding the very edges of deck work. Using a DA for wet sanding, you want to stay away from the edges with a DA. So that means you got to go, once you're done with the DA, you got to go back over the edges by hand, real gently, so that all the way to the edge it gets wet sanded and there's no orange peel.
Look at Devin doing it.
It's very easily,
Work it, Devin.
very easily done.
Devin, come on. What grit is the paper?
Right now he's using 2,000, and then we'll finish with 3,000. The rest of the car, originally it was 1,000, then 12, then 1,500. We're working the edges because it's already been hit with 1,000, 1,500. We're working the edges with 2,000 and 3,000. We do this before we start buffing because you don't want to get buffing on it and then you realize that you forgot to do the edges and then you got to go back to wet sanding again.
Yep.
So you want to get it all done before you start buffing.
Thanks for that tidbit of information, Jason. Great job.